Hello everyone, welcome back to a new essay topic. So this video has been designed to help you with your NPSC Combined Technical Examination, Combined Education Service Examination B result and there's high chances that exam will be held in May or June. So the ajila topic is science and tech focus group, that is Indian space program, opportunities and challenges. So before I start my class, I would like to announce that mock test is and if you want to join in the mock test, the link is provided in the description. You can check it out and the link will be provided in the description, and also you can contact me in the social media for more information. So ajila topic this is kiman topic ase essay topic number 12. I've already completed 11 essays. So ajila topic to Indian space program and this PDF will be provided in the description. You can download and you can also revise for your exam. So Indian space program India la why I'm covering this topic is because science and technology they beshi focus karna hai in the last few years, in especially in technical subjects, that is artificial intelligence, electric vehicle, or either one. So the space program pick the unexplored areas where questions might be asked from not only from essay topic but also general studies general knowledge la paper babe I over. So let us start with the class. So first introduction do kina pro first introduction do So Indian space program. So Indian space research activities began in the early 1960s. So early 1960s it World War II खत्म हो Cold War शुरू होने space program तो start कर that is between worldwide the US or USSR la space race थे Indian la space research भी jump start कर when space application were still in experimental stages even in the United States. So we know that 1969 the first moon landing was by the United States when Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin and in the Apollo mission they landed on the moon. So because of this India space mission भी शुरू हुआ 1960 से शुरू हुआ. So ISRO Indian Space Research Organization established not on the एकटा organization that is INCOSPAR gonna recognizing the need for the space research. It was established in 1962 in COSPAR, in Cosmos Par by the Department of Atomic Energy in suggestion of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. So Dr. Vikram Sarabhai la suggestion de ido in COSPAR, that is the predecessor of the ISRO, was established. It was instrumental in establishing the first Tumba equatorial rocket launching station at Tamil Nadu. Is Tumba. It is the Kerala desert, but however, under Tamil Nadu. The first sounding rocket that is Nike Apache rocket from United States was launched from Tumba rocket launching station on 1963. It was there. 1969 day, August 15 day, ISRO established Kushi with headquarters at Bengaluru to replace INCOSPAR with a broader mandate of harnessing space technology. That means INCOSPAR to 1962 they established Kushi, which is next to ISRO established Kushi 1969 15 August after 15 and it was established at Bengaluru with an objective of ISRO to case development and application of space technology for various needs and not only space but for communication, television, broadcasting, meteorological services to achieve its goal. So space program do not only like moon, Mars, communication satellite, military application in space, and it is GPS control, that is GPS. It also be space satellite by idu help kore. So let us understand some of the key centers of ISRO. That is ISRO la under ki ase. First though ki ase kule the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center idu Thiruvananthapuram ase Kerala. That is building of launch vehicle. Like idu launch vehicle kan banawale idu Vikram Sarabhai Space Center da banai VSSC. Next though UR Rao Satellite Center Bangalore ase idu development and designing and development of satellite ase. Aro idu launching pad to Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota ase and Arekta ase in Kerala, that is LPSC, that is Liquid Propulsion System Center idu Vaimala and Bangalore ase. LPSC Vaimala to Kerala ase, Bangalore in Karnataka ase. And development of liquid stages including cryogenic stage. Cryogenic stage ki is the one space fuel one idu gari de tel cholanish na. In rocket we do not use petrol diesel, we use liquid oxygen. So idu thanda rakena thanda de rakhole idu na idike cryogenic koi one word for like very low temperature is also known as cryogenic. Next to Space Application Center, that is Ahmedabad. The Space Application Center Ahmedabad is that is for sensors kan banawale, and remote sensing National Remote Sensing Center Hyderabad is for sensing satellite do banawale. So these are some of the important centers for ISRO. The one thing to note is ki is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center she idu Thiruvananthapuram ase, aru Liquid Propulsion System Center LPSC do Vaimala Bangalore ase, and Satish Dhawan Space Center idu bhi ho jawa, and National Space Application idu charta purile ho jawa. So let us go with the various missions of ISRO. First, launch vehicle. So satellite kuli bhi alag vehicle ase, like kumba the satellite karna, kumba the military application karna, kumba the ki koi idu GPS karna idu. So various space missions or satellites ase. First to launch vehicle ase. That means ISRO la idu matiba means earth balina space tak lo jawale ekta gari do lage do, that is it is also known as space vehicle. So different types of space vehicle ase. That is the launch vehicles are rocket powered vehicles that transport a spacecraft beyond Earth's atmosphere. And currently ki ase, that is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle ase, Geosynchronous Space Satellite Launch Vehicle ase, and Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle MK3 are active operational launch vehicle in India. So what one mark now, what is PSLV kule Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Next GSLV do Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, or LVM3 the launch vehicle MK3 M3 bhi mate. So it was a next experimental satellite experiment karne ase. For example, first artificial satellite ke joglo do Aryabhata 1975 te launch. So when was Aryabhata launched? 1975. Rohini satellite RS1 is the first experimental flight for the launch vehicle SLV3. So Rohini satellite basic but Aryabhata is the first satellite launched in 1975. Next communication satellite. Communication satellite GPS or mobile technology, telephone, mobile itu sob to itu by connect kore. For example, communication satellite kina kam kore to, for example the Earth ase. So for example to yete boy ase, that is in Nagaland, aru tuila ekta tila friend ekta ase United States te. So it is on the other side of the world. So mobile tower button no bonjo do kirebe, because it is very long distance. So ki kuru bole to usually, for example ido जैसे कि for For example, this is the Earth, and you're living in Nagaland here, and your friend is living in United States. So, like, telecommunication, itu mobile network tingkat terau na jauh. Because of this, একটা satellite রাখিয়া পড়ে, একটা satellite এটা, so that itu tai signal photo to, itu ini reflect kro, itu je tai first itu satellite ke reflect kro, itu je wapas itu satellite ke itu ke means lage reflect korna communication to possible bane. So these are also known as communication satellite. So India la communication satellite to Indian national satellite INSAT bhi ase and GSAT bhi ase, that is geosynchronous satellite, aro with the launch of INSAT 1B. So INSAT 1B to 1983 to launch ISRO launched a major revolution in India's communication sector that has been ever since sustained. So Earth observation satellite means Earth la observation satellite ki karne, for example Earth la India la agriculture, landmass, forest, itu sob to capture kore Earth observation satellite to kore. So example dike jukle Bhaskara ase 1979 de first experimental remote satellite ase IRS 1A to 1988 established kise. So these are Earth observation satellite we have covered. Next to case jukle to navigation satellite. So navigation satellite to case jukle to mon itu GPS condition. You know that GPS to case jukle to itu to US la GPS to aru China la bhi ase, Russia la bhi ase, itu nishna India la bhi ekta ase, that is Navik. Itu nishna India bhi Gagan gonna launch korse. So Gagan la full form dike jukle to GPS aided geo augmented navigation ase, aru Gagan do ISRO Indian Space Research Organization aro Indian Airport Authority of India la collaboration ma banaise for providing GPS aided communication. The full form dike jukle to Gagan la full form to GPS aided geo augmented navigation ase, aru Navik dike jukle to India la independent and indigenous navigation system as a Navik to small satellite to itu school gamba nole colleges gamba ISRO kono de partnership kona launch kore, for example YouthSat aro Microsat itu ase. Next to space exploration. So India la space exploration bishi ase. There are many missions, that is first to Mongolian mission ase, Mars la mission 2013 to launch ise, Chandrayaan 3 to launch ise, Land itu moon la mission ase, and Aditya L1 to is for sun mission. So next mission like upcoming mission dike jukle to Gaganyaan mission ase, first like Manu India Manu space te pada bole, and already India has appointed 5 people as astronauts for the Gaganyaan mission. So itu ase, and itu Chandrayaan 3 to third mission ase 2008 de Chandrayaan 1 launch ise, 2019 de Chandrayaan 2 ise, and 2023 de Chandrayaan 3 mission launch ise. So remember this, 2008 de Chandrayaan 1, 2019 de Chandrayaan 2, or 2003 de Chandrayaan 3. So these are some of the missions of satellite ISRO satellite. Aro NASA or ISRO la bhi ekta satellite mission ase, that is NISAR. So NISAR do ISRO collaborated with which country for NISAR mission? It is NASA, that is United States, and XPOSAT, that is X-ray polarimeter satellite, it bhi ekta ase, and last to SpaceX, that is space docking experiment. Now opportunities and challenges. So what are the challenges and opportunities for Indian space program? There is key problems ase aro key opportunities ase. So let us study. First, the budget constraint. We know that Indian budget to pretty tight ase, especially in space program. Although one last space program to pretty cheap ase, that is more cheaper than the itu one United States la NASA la program ni lebe, European Space Agency la program ni lebe, JAXA Japan Space Agency la program ni lebe. In ki wi lebe, the ISRO space program is very cheap because budget constraint karne ase. So allocating sufficient funds for ambitious mission like Chandrayaan-3 and Gaganyaan while maintaining financial sustainability is a challenge. While ISRO's annual budget has grown steadily and exceeds 1.45 billion, the demand for space-based services in India far surpasses what ISRO can provide. It was number one though, budget constraint though. Next though, limited share. Limited share request though, India la space program though, bishi share the bishi kom in the world. That is only 2% of the global market as our space debris management big as we know that space tikita mon satellite launch kore jabragan, that is kiki space parts kan phasi jay aru space de phasi jada bishi problem is because it was problem cause kore, that is alak other space mission kan jada idu biya bhi ho jaw pare. So this is also one of the problem. Next, dependency on foreign satellite. Satellite la dependency to one foreign satellite, that is NASA la. Still we are depending on this GPS. So GPS to United States kana satellite ase. So we are dependent on foreign satellites. Next to lack of available talent. India la space program though we don't have much talent because many talented Indians that are studying in IITs, IISc or the Indian Institute of Space Technology, IIST. So it was up to alag country de jaine pure. For example, Caltech, NASA, that is Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Kiki space the foreign jaga de jaine tan ki help pure. So we are losing talent because of many reasons. One being that we don't have many infrastructure for helping those talented Indians. So this is one of the available one of the challenges. The opportunity is that is, although challenges is opportunities because space program is a very booming industry. We market to 350 billion around projected to exceed to 550 billion by 2025 our space startups, that is entrepreneurship la idu program do space tv bishe, that is for example idu India la startup new skyrocket idu Vikram S idu they are very important startups in space sector. And next to small satellite revolution, that is small satellite though nowadays there's need for small satellite only because budget constraint ho karne tangor satellite to bishi costly because of this small satellite and reusable rocket also by Tesla. So idu anishna reusable aro small satellite ba bishi help kuro, that is ISRO's development of small satellite launch vehicle ba they functions to bishi achieve kuro pare. By 2030, 17,000 small satellites are expected to be launched globally. Next, the future endeavors. ISRO is planning the launch its manned mission in Gaganyaan. Additionally, ISRO has an ambitious space program to develop its own space station where astronauts can stay up to 15 to 20 days. So, India la mission to Gaganyaan or Tangla space station be. Ita do kali space station that is International Space Station. Ito lo bijita do kikoy can replace Kurlaza. So India should play a very pivotal role in launching its own space station. So with this, the essay on Indian space program opportunities and challenges has been completed. And if you are interested in the mock test, you can contact in the description. And also, I hope you all guys are preparing well. The exam will be started very early. So all the best for the exam and thank you.